I don't know about you, but some of my best business ideas hit me while I'm driving. But by the time I hit the destination, some of the details or the whole entire idea is gone. It can really be frustrating. But when I realized I can use ChatGPT or Gemini's via the mobile app hands-free, my drives haven't been the same since. Now, instead of losing ideas, I can actually brainstorm with AI while driving, and it's all saved. Hi, I'm Sam, a small business owner of a gourmet popcorn store, and that tech guy that all my other business buddies come to for support. My goal for this channel is to give you real, practical ways that AI can fit into your business and not just theory. So let's dive into the step-by-step of how I use ChatGPT or Gemini hands-free while driving and get some great brainstorming done for the business. How to set it up. First, you need to either download the ChatGPT app or the Gemini app onto your mobile phone. They have versions for both Android and iPhone. Second, we need to make sure that your phone is connected to your car via Bluetooth. This way, you can talk to and hear responses from AI all through your car's speaker, all completely hands-free. The third step, before you start driving, you want to open up either app and activate the voice mode. Now, in both ChatGPT and Gemini, there's a button next to where you actually type in the text that looks like little squiggly lines. I guess it's representing sound waves or something, but that's the button that you want to touch or tap to activate the voice mode so you can go hands-free. Here's the fun part. Now you can talk to the AI like it's your business partner riding shotgun with you. Ask it all kind of questions and they'll give you answers while you're driving. Questions such as, give me 5 business ideas that I can use to promote my popcorn store this weekend for under $50.
Absolutely. Let's get creative on a budget. Here are 5
And in
ideas
seconds,
you can
I
try.
get back practical and useful ideas. Or here's another one. Let's brainstorm on some Instagram posts I can actually post this week.
Great question. How about this? First, a meet the team post.
And sometimes I use it just as a brain dumps. Like, capture my thoughts on this new flavor so I won't forget it.
Absolutely. Hit me with your new flavor idea and I'll jot it down so
The
you have
point is, you don't need perfect answers while you're driving. You just need to capture ideas so they won't get lost. And later when you stop, you can go back and review the transcript or notes on either app. So instead of letting great ideas slip away while I'm driving, I now use AI as my co-pilot to capture all those ideas. With ChatGPT or Gemini in a Bluetooth connection, I can brainstorm new business ideas or even solve some of my business problems while driving, all hands-free. As a small business owner myself, I know our days can be packed. We're juggling sales, customers, operations, and don't forget employees. We barely have time to really sit and think. For me, using AI while driving has turned my wasted commuter times into one of my most productive parts of the day. If this little tidbit gave you an idea of how you can use AI in your business, hit that like button and subscribe for more small business and AI tips. And let me know in the comments what kind of ideas or problems you would solve using AI while driving.